When we talk about the custodial account, where it becomes really cool is custodial accounts have an opportunity where if a child is earning no income, they can realize up to $2,600 this year in income or capital gains and pay no taxes on the money. And so that's always the biggest encouragement from us is don't fund your child's custodial account with cash. Use appreciated stock. Use your most appreciated stock. If you do $2,600 or less of appreciated stock, they can sell it and there's zero tax bill associated with them selling it and then using the proceeds to diversify or buy some names that they would want to own and want to learn about as well.
Real life example, if you had, say, $5,000 of Amazon that you bought for $500, if you sold it yourself, you'd pay long-term gains on almost all of that. Versus if you said, hey, I'm going to gift 2,600 of this Amazon to my kid, and then they sell it, no tax bill.
Exactly correct. And then I'll take that one step further. The other tax move that can be really powerful that we love to do when it's possible is when that child gets old enough to where the account becomes theirs. So in Texas, generally that's age 21. At that point in time, a custodial account has to be moved into the name of the then minor. A lot of times those kids are still students in school where they're earning no income, but they may have some big gains that have built up over the years, right? Like received, call it $10,000 of appreciated stock that got diversified over the years, and maybe that's grown to $30,000. What that does is it gives us the opportunity to potentially realize that gain in the 0% tax bracket. We call it resetting the basis. So essentially, if their income is below the threshold, they can realize all of those gains and pay zero taxes. And then we can turn around and buy the investments right back if we want to. But now we've reset the cost basis on the investments at $30,000 as opposed to the $10,000 that it was beforehand.
And I know we've done that several times, recently with, every one of our clients' kids and grandkids that are at that age where, they're junior, senior in college, they're about to go out in the working world and hopefully make some real money. We'll hit reset on their accounts as we're updating their account from being a custodial account to being their own account at age 21. So it's a common, smart thing to do. And it's a great way to be helping our kids get a head start on life.